Division trick by 5. Simply multiply the dividend by 2. 24 times 2, that is 48. And then we have one digit divisor, so we put one decimal place. The answer is 4.8. 53 divided by 5. Multiply the dividend by 2. 53 times 2, that is 106. And then we put one decimal place. The answer is 10.6. 73 divided by 5, multiply by 2. 73 times 2, that is 146, then one decimal place. The answer is 14.6. 69 divided by 5, multiply by 2. 69 times 2, that is 138. Then we put one decimal place. The answer is 13.8. Let's try more examples. 312 divided by 5. Multiply the dividend by 2. 3 times 2, that is 6. 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 2, 4. And then we put one decimal place. The answer is 62.4. 9,408 divided by 5. Multiply by 2. 9 times 2, that is 18. 4 times 2, that is 8. 0 times 2, that is 0. Then 8 times 2, 16. And then we put one decimal place. So the answer is 1,881.6. Now, let's talk about division trick by 25. Simply multiply the dividend by 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. So we put 1, 2, 8. And because we have two-digit divisor, so we put two decimal places. So the answer is 1.28. 95 divided by 25. Multiply 95 times 4. 4 times 5, 20. Carry 2. 4 times 9, 36 plus 2, 38. So we put 3, 8, 0, and then we put two decimal places. So the answer is 3.80. 114 divided by 25. So multiply 114 by 4. 4 times 4, 16. Carry 1. 1 times 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 1 times 4, that is 4. So we put 4, 5, 6, then we put 1 or 2, two decimal places. So the answer is 4.56. 728 divided by 25. So multiply 728 by 4. 8 times 4, that is 32. So we write 2, carry 3. 4 times 2, 8 plus 3, 11. Write 1, carry 1. 4 times 7, 28 plus 1, 29. So we put 2, 9, 1, 2. So two decimal places. So the answer is 29.12. Now, let's take two more examples of division trick by 25. Simply multiply the dividend by 4. 4 times 3, 12. So we write 2, carry 1. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 4 times 7, 28. So we write 8, carry 2. 4 times 1, that is 4 plus 2, 6. 6, 8, 9, 2. And then we put two decimal places. So the answer is 68.92. 5,142 divided by 25. So multiply the dividend by 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 4, 16. Write 6, carry 1. 1 times 4, that is 4 plus 1, 5. 4 times 5, that is 20. So 2, 0, 5, 6, 8. And then we put two decimal places. So the answer is 205.68. Division trick by 50. If our divisor is 50, simply multiply the dividend by 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 8, 16. So 164, and then we have 2-digit divisor, so 2 decimal place. So the answer is 1.64. 149 divided by 50. Multiply 149 by 2. 2 times 9, 18. Write 8, carry 1. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 1, 2. So 2, 9, 8. Then put 2 decimal places. So the answer is 2.98. 362 divided by 50. Multiply 362 by 2. That is 2 by 2, 4. 6 times 2, 12. Carry 1. 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, 7. So 7, 2, 4, and then 2 decimal place. So the answer is 7.24. 847 divided by 50. So multiply 847 by 2. 2 times 7, 14. Carry 1. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 8, 16. That is 1694, and then 2 decimal places. So the answer is 16.94. Let's take one more example. 14,783 divided by 50. So multiply the dividend by 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 8, 16. Carry 1. 2 times 7, 14 plus 1, 15. Write 5, carry 1. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 1, 2. Then 2, 9, 5, 6, 6. And remember, 2-digit divisor, it means 2 decimal places. So the answer is 295.66. Now, let's talk about division trick by 125. In this trick, we multiply the dividend by 8. 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 2, 16. So write 6, carry 1. 8 times 5, 40, plus 1, 41. So we write 4, 1, 6, 8. And then we have 3-digit divisor, so we put 3 decimal places. So the answer is 4.168. 968 divided by 125. So multiply it by 8. 8 times 8, 64. So we write 4, carry 6. 8 times 6, 48. Plus 6, 54. So 4, carry 5. So 8 times 9, 72 plus 5, 77. So 7, 7, 4, 4, and then 3-digit or 3 decimal places. So the answer is 7.744. Let's take one more last example for division trick of 125. So, multiply the dividend by 8. Remember that if it's 125, the divisor is 125, multiply the dividend by 8. So, 8 times 5, 40, we write 0, carry 4. 8 times 9, 72, plus 4, 76. So, we write 6, carry 7. 8 times 6, 48, plus 7, that is 55. So, 5, carry 5. 1 times 8, that is 8 plus 5, 13. So, we write 3, carry 1. 8 times 2, 16, plus 1, 17. So, we write 1, 7, 3, 5, 6, 0. And remember, 3-digit divisor, so 3 decimal place. So the answer is 173.560. Thank you for watching.